Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to manage hard link on Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Before creating hard link, I am creating a file with content echo double quotation manage hard link quotation close and then arrow. Now the file name hard link. Now hit enter. Add hard link to view the file content. This is the content of this file. Now type double L to see the file size, and here look, the file size is 17 kilobyte. Now I am going to create the hard link ln file name, and I am going to create the hard link in backup. Now hit enter. The link is created. Now type double L temp backup. Look, the link file is created and the file size is same as the source file. Hard link act as a backup. Now I am going to insert some text in the same file. Echo double quotation. This is IT system admin, and input the content in hard link file. Now check cat hard link. Now I'm going to check the hard link file. Cat temp backup. Look, the content is added in backup file. Now I'm going to add some text in hard link file. Echo double quotation, and then the content will be added in the hard link file. Temp backup. Now I'm going to check the source file. Cat hard link. Look, the content is replaced here. Again, I am going to add some text to source file and check the hard link file. Look, the content is added to hard link file. This is the easiest way to manage hard link in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.